How to upload a video on RedNote application on iPhone and Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video on RedNote application on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is open your RedNote application. Here, I am uploading a video on iPhone, but if you're using Android, then the steps are totally similar and you can just follow these steps in order to upload a video. So let's get started. First of all, open the RedNote application, and then what you got to do is you'll be able to see an icon that is a plus icon over here. So what you got to do is just click on this plus icon, and you will be redirected to your album. Now, if you're using this application for the first time and you just freshly installed that, then you'll be asked whether you wish to give them consent or the ability to use the pictures and videos from your phone's gallery. So you need to just give them the consent and accept that. And after that, all of the videos and photos from your gallery would be displayed over here. So what you got to do is you can either, click on album, or you can click on camera and take any video here right now, or you can even make a live video. So for example, if you wish to upload a video from your gallery, so what you got to do is just click on video over here. And here are some draft videos that I just created for an example. So I'm just going to click on any of these videos. For example, I'm going to click on this one. And after that, if you wish to auto cut that, you can click on that. So just the relevant part of it can be cut for you to post. And once done, you can just click on next. And if you wish to select multiple options, you can just select them in order to, create a slideshow type of video. And then you can just click on next. And here we have text. That is that if you wish to add any text to your video, for example, I'm gonna, type this one. It's just, a sample text that the RedNote application has provided me. And then we have sticker over here. Now, for example, you can just choose between numerous stickers, and there are also other options. You can even add some from the marketplace. For example, I'm gonna add this flower thingy right here. And after that, you can even trim the video if you want to. And when you click on more, there are several other options. You can just have a look over here if you wish to, if you want some advanced settings. And after that, you can just click on next. So once you click on next, you'll be asked whether you wish to select a cover and select a title, add a description, and select just hashtags and mention any user or make a voting poll. And you can even select a location and whether you wish to post the video publicly or privately. And there are some advanced options whether you want to save this video to your album and you wish to save it to draft or post that. So just hit post over here and your video would be posted. Now you can see here it says keeping recording every bit of your life. So it's just like kind of uploading it. Now it says that note posted, and here you can see that my video has been posted. So that was basically how you can upload a video on the RedNote application. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.